Alright, let's see what this mystery package is that showed up the other day.
The other day.
Ooh, don't look at the label. I know what it is now. Packaged very nicely. Uh-oh, what does that say? Looks like an i3 Mark III's. Some of you know what that is already, but for those who don't, let's check this thing out. Congratulations on the new printer. Stepping up our game, yo. Look at that.
That's
That's
fun.
pretty neat.
Free gummy bears.
And I basically bought the kit because I figured if I put it together, I'll know how to fix things and know the inner workings of it. So if there's any problems, we can handle it ourselves. But doesn't look like it needs much. Some screwdrivers, some pliers, and some Allen wrenches.
There's even
Reward
a page
yourself.
about the gummy bears.
Yeah, a page about rewarding yourself as you put it together. That's funny. Super cool. That's the Yaxis. Oh, the Delta PSU. You guys know what that is. Oh, it came with its own thingamabobs. 3 of them, actually. No, packaged very well. Like I said, we won't take everything out, but we'll probably start hitting the instructions and put this thing together so we can start doing some prints. Cool. I think these are the little cool spring steel sheets to print on, so you don't have to tape everything, I guess. I think you're supposed to be able to pop the stuff right off there. So we'll check back when we have this thing together and up and running.